the man perfected by his woman. Life is beautiful. Therefore, I am life. I am beautiful. Hi, hello, mabuhay. Good evening, people of Barangay Duhat. My name is Joko Maran Ramos. I am 24, hailing all the way last from Balimbao, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Saying, hindi naman masarap, mahal, katulad mo, ikaw, masarap ka na, hindi ka naman mahal. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.
Number 2. Once again, let's all welcome candidate number 2.
Si Miss Marian Rivera. Once again, this is Trisha Nicole Imperial. Enjoy the show.
matanggal. Being what you are is God give to you. And being what you are is God give to you again. This is Mika Santos na nagsasabing chubby is the new sexy. And I thank you.
You are the leader of your life, and you have to believe in yourself. I believe in myself, and that is why I'm standing here tonight. Hi, hello, hola, sawadika, or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen that want to be a lady, and ladies that want to be a man. The girl has traveled away from the Quezon City Festival of the Philippines, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kylie Hamor Tejamo, at 21 years old stunner, turning 22 at 12 a.m. tonight. But tonight, since it is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name ang manikang nagmulaga sa ABS-CBN at minsan ang nagpatigo sa pitang puso ni Mr. J.M. De Guzman. Bakit hindi natin sama-samang palakpakan at iyawan ang nag-iisang Barbie Imperial. Barbie Imperial ho ay nagagalak ng mga barito sapagkat muling nagbabalik ang mga serenong papalampakan ng mga hurado. Sapagkat kami mananatiling mga sirena at bandera namin kailanman ay hindi tutumba. Eso es todo and I. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much. Candidate number 4, Riley Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's open number 5. Madam Latina. My name is Ren, Ayla Imperial, a 19-year-old senior representing from the home of the living Barbie doll, Bubukan, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Tonight, since this is the pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang nag-iisang Kylie Versosa. Miss Kylie Versosa na nagsasabi, ang lalaking hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay tiyak na tulala sa aking kagandahan. Good evening.
Once again, Red Ina Imperial.
Let's all prepare. Candidate number 6.
Again, candidate number 6. Okay, so habang hinihintay mo natin, ayun na po pala. Okay, let's welcome again candidate number 6.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ngayong gabi, wala pong mamamatay at wala rin pong masusunugan ng bahay. Dahil kung ano man po ang lumabas sa aming mga bibig, sasabihin ng aming mga dila, magtitinding sama sa mga kabataan, makauwi sila sa kanilang tahanan. Dahil ang amin lamang pong hinihiling at hinihiling, ayun po ang pagtanggap at ang pagrespeto ng magmumula po ako dito sa Barangay Suhat, Municipalidad ng Santa Cruz. Once again, wala pong bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang sigawan dyan? Thank you so much. To become what you are and to become what you're capable of becoming is the secret of a happy life. Forever living so has its own talent, perseverance, and wit, so never be afraid. Just be yourself. What a glamorous and spectacular evening to each and everybody, to an honorable panel board of judges, ma'am, sir, and to everyone
Magandang gabi po. A girl standing in front of you is a 60 years old, hailing all the way from San Pablo City, province of Laguna. And yes, I am your Miss Gate 3rd District of Laguna 2024 that was held in Calauan, Laguna. I am also your first ever Queen of San Pablo 2025. This is Jersey time. And for tonight's competition, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only Miss Andrea Brillantes. Miss Andrea Brillantes ho, na nagsasabing, ngayong tapos na ho ang pandemya at nakakaranas ho tayo ng napakaraming problema. Kaya naway isa-isip at isa-puso natin ang pagkakaisa at pagbibigay kapayapaan at pagmamahal sa bawat isa. Once again, I'm your candidate number 6. Good evening, all mabuhay, and please enjoy the rest of the show. And panel board of judges, please mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Once again, candidate number 6, Miss Jessie Tan. And now, please welcome candidate number 7.
The man and the woman without education, like the house without no foundation. My name is Sab Agus, all the way from Santo Ana Central, Santa Cruz, Laguna. I am 26 years old, sir. Pinag-iwan ko ng kasabihan, if beauty is a crime, then arrest me. I'm guilty. Thank you.
Once again, candidate number 7, Miss Sao.
Beautiful people of Balangayduhan, wala kang bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Thank you so much. We celebrate the anniversary of homosexuality in this society. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and also our honorable panel of judges. Standing here right in front of you is a first-year college of Far Eastern University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. By the way, my real name is Miss Kim Akinda Guevara, and I'm truly all the way from the tourist capital of Laguna, from Cotsanhan, probinsya ng Laguna. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of one of the controversial girl in the TV industry, ang babaeng Miss Flawless ng Pilipinas. But di po natin sabay palakpakan at hiyawan. This is Miss Sashna Laparan. The costume that I'm wearing tonight is the really festival, or the Philippine Festival, or Pride of Philippine Festival. This is from Ebon Festival, all the way from Candaba, Pampanga. Good evening and enjoy the rest of the show.
Once again, happy birthday, Miss Kim Akinda.
Palakpak at humiyaw lamang po kayo. Walang mamamatay sa pamilya niyo. Siyempre, joke lamang po. It is been said that the only constant in this world is change. And why don't people change their hearts and minds to acceptance? Una, mañana, agradable damas y hombres gentiles. Or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The girl standing straight in front of you is a fresh, oh yes, indeed innocent 21 years old stunner, a proud. Yes, I am very much proud to say that I once represented the municipality of Pagsamhan in Laguna Gate 2024. I am Steph Lauren, who truly hails all the way from the municipality of Pagsamhan, province of Laguna. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Ang babae, isa niyo na pong sinubaybayan sa palabas na kanilang dito. Opo, ako nga po. Ang babae, isa na pong sinampal, binugbog, sinaktan ni Miss Margaret Mondragon. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisa Miss Cassie Mondragon? Miss Cassie Mondragon po na mag-iiwan ng katagang. Ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa kanyang pinanggalingan ay siya, katulad sa aking kagandahan. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, candidate number 9, Mrs. Steph Lauren. And now, let's all welcome candidate number 10.
Joke lang po. No matter what you are, no matter where you came from, no matter what you did, there is always a change. And you can be the best, better version of yourself. My name is Heart Fuentes, and I am 20 years old as stunner, hailing all the way from Barangay Gatin, Municipality of San Nicolas, province of Laguna. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan? Ang babae minsan ang trending sa social media. Ang babae nagsabing, can we smoke then fuck? At ang babae nagsabing, can I touch myself na lang kaya? Oo, ako nga po, si Maris Racal, na nagsasabing, if you haven't, then syempre, mamatay siya sa inyo. Yes?
Once again, candidate number 10, Miss Heart Fuentes.
¿Quién es ella? La gula Kenya. Wari mo ay buhay na obra. Hinalin tulad kay Maria Clara. Sino ka ba sa buhay ni Luna? ¿Quién es ella? La gula Kenya. Larawan ng dalagang Pilipina. Sa parang sayang, walang kapalis. Taglay mo ay gandang walang kawangis. Isang may wagang dilag na ang galan ay di ko alam. Sino ka nga bala? Mula Kenya, kailan kaya kita makikilala? ¿Quién es ella? La gula Kenya. Wari mo ay buhay na obra. Hinalin tulad kay Maria Clara. Sino ka ba sa buhay ni Luna? Isang may wagang dilag na ang ngalan ay di ko alam. Sino ka nga bala? Mula Kenya, kailan kaya kita makikilala?
Are we talking about national and festival costume itself? Well, I think among all the candidates who run on the same stage, I'm the only girl and the only candidate who fit for that criteria. Because tonight, I am wearing a Maria Clara costume inspired that symbolizes the grace, the cultural identity of every Filipino individual. What a glamorous and spectacular ending to each and every one. My name is Lovely Imperial, and yes, I am only 19-year-old senior, and I am currently taking up a Bachelor of Physical Education at the Laguna State Polytechnic University, San Pablo City campus. But tonight, this is a pageant. Please allow me to carry the image of the one and only woman, ang babae kong kauna-unahang napalabas sa bahay ni Kuya. Please allow me to carry the image of Miss Ashley Ortega. Miss Ashley Ortega po na hindi ko mag-iwan ng isang bastos na kasabihan. Dahil 50% po ng mga manonood ngayon ay pawang mga kabataan na ngayon ho na nakakaranas tayo ng iba't ibang sakuna, problema at mga problemang kinaharap natin sa mundo. Mas piliin po nating magpakalat ng mga nakaka-inspire na impormasyon. Dahil sa huli ho, tayo lang ang mga Pilipino ang magtutulungan upang maging malakas, matibay at umahon sa kahirapan ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Once again, I'm your candidate number 11, greeting you all mabuhay, and please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Mula Kenya, larawan ng dalagang Pilipina. Sa bawat sayang, walang kamanis. Taglay mo ay gandang walang kawalis. Isang may wagang dilag na ang ngalan ay di ko alam. Sino ka nga bala? Mula Kenya, kailan kaya kita makikilala?
Yeah, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 11 dazzling candidates in their festival attire. Talaga namang hindi nagpapakabog ang bawat isa. So our candidates have changed from typical transgender to cordial candidates of this pageant. They have now walked the stage with flair and style. So once again, thank candidates, and please prepare for the next appearance. And at this point, we call on Honorable Malen de la Cruz, our councilor, Barangay Duhat, to give us a special message. So please, a round of applause.
Magandang gabi po, Barangay Duhat! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Una po higit sa lahat sa ating mabuting kapilan. Sakyo sa ito mga kayo, magandang gabi po. Ngayon din po kay SK Dera at sa mga
kabataan. At gayon din po